secure?
Yes, they are tight.
What was that sound? Did you hear that?
Yes, master.
Flawlessly inspected. Every stitch, every seam, absolutely perfect.
The nets are ready. Are the cages secure?
Yes, they are tight. We should move now.
Look how fast the darkness comes.
We must hurry! The spirits are angry today!
Hurry up with that tarp! It's too late, the wind is too strong! Run! Get inside!
I can't see anything! We have to stop!
What was that sound? Did you hear that?
Oh God!
Hold the line, move left quickly. Don't let it escape. Yes! Pull harder!
Hold it steady.
Get the stakes in now.
He's pulling free over here.
All right, men, heave! Pull harder on the left.
It's moving. It's almost there. We did it. It's secure.
The road is much better now.
Look, they actually caught it.
What a magnificent animal.
It is good the storm is behind us.
Yes, soon we will be home now.
That's the last one. See you guys later.
Hello and welcome to the future of footwear, right here at the Cristiano Ronaldo Shoe Factory. Come on in. As we enter the loading bay, you'll notice the precision of our team moving the Lion into the specialized quarantine area. Safety is our priority. This facility represents the pinnacle of modern manufacturing. We are incredibly proud of the efficiency and precision you see here today.
Be careful with the edges here. The grain is very fine. We must preserve the tawny pattern.
Yes, master.
The pH levels are stable at 4.5.
Good. The temperature is holding steady at 30 degrees Celsius.
The high-quality leather is spread out and inspected under bright lights. The texture is incredible, with a beautiful natural grain. The industrial cutters operate with laser precision, ensuring perfect accuracy for the shoe construction.
The 3D model looks excellent.
The neon green on the shoes really pops against the dark background. The texture has to be perfect.
We need to align the swoosh perfectly with the leather grain for the best finish.
We're ahead of schedule on the turquoise run.
Good, make sure the stitching is perfect on those heel counters.
Flawlessly inspected. Every stitch, every seam, absolutely perfect. Ready to perform at the highest level.
Welcome to the future of luxury footwear. Each CR7 original is secured with a certificate of authenticity and sealed with our golden emblem.
As you can see, our inventory stretches further than the eye can see. This facility handles the global distribution of all CR7 footwear.
The new CR7 collection, shipping now to retailers in over 8 countries worldwide.
It's the Ronaldo package. Daniel, look at you! Thank you guys so much.
Oh my God, they fit perfectly.
Looking good, man. Congratulations.
Thank you.